So this is a bracket for your Ender 7 that will mount your BioTouch plus the SonyPass sensor on top. So you're gonna have to take off the ventral screw over here to be able to slide it. So if you routed your BioTouch wire over here, all you have to do, make it easy, is bring it over the top here and press it in. And then this should be able to slide like so in place. And then you'll be able to put the 2 missing screw and on top of the one that you remove on top, and then mount your sensor with the screws that came out in the kit. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that here real quick. So once you got your BioTouch wire over the top, all you have to do is basically lift it up and then bring it down in place right there and snug it in. So right now I'm just gonna put that one screw there and the 2 in the back, and then mount the sensor here. So I'll show that real quick. So once you do it, make sure you use a bolt and Allen key. That should be able to give you a nice angle without putting a lot of pressure on the belt. And then the bottom one should just go straight in that way. So that's in, those tools in, and then now time to mount the sensor on top. So there it goes. That's the sensor over here. Yeah, your BioTouch. So right now I just have it in place. So what we're gonna do a calibration of the sensor and then in the menu. So here we are. So a few things you need to do once you mess with your BioTouch. You gotta do a configuration of the probe. So you will do that in this menu. It's actually doing it. So I will be doing that real quick. You gotta make sure your nozzle's going. Mine is not. After you calibrate it, it will reboot and save the information. That was just the BioTouch. But to do the sensor, you go to configuration, other settings, and then scroll down. Advanced options. You could do your PIV2 for hotbed and hot end if you want to do that. But what we're gonna do is measuring resonance. And we're gonna do this one since it's an Ender 5 style. And then we're gonna do next. And then we'll check, make sure the sensor is plugged in and reading it. And it will do its test after that. So there you go. It says sensor status okay. We press start test, and then it'll just hum the vibration. It's a sensor or something in there. It's homing right now. And then after that, it'll just start shaking back and forth. And that probably takes a good 5 minutes. There you go. And then I'll do that for that long, and then speed up and change depending on the frequencies and the test it does. Alright. Hope you like it. And then once this is done, by the way, it will reboot and save it in the settings.